my take profit was actually here for 1 to 2. Ne? This is the swing trading for 1 to 2. So what happened here is that I didn't set my take profit. I forgot to set my take profit. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's because I was hoping that the markets could just keep dropping and I would forget it and somehow I'd end up with more profits. Clearly that didn't work out. Now it came here. When I woke up, it was already here. I was excited, like, yeah, TP hit final after 6 days, and then boom, no, it actually didn't. Hit here, then went up. Now I'm forced to move my stop loss to break even. It's somewhere here, and it could get hit right now. Like, I waited 6 days for take profit just to miss it. So hopefully right now I'm targeting these lows, but that's not what we're talking about in this stream today. Let's just hope it doesn't go as far as break even. So, but today I want to day trade. Né? I'm going to be doing day trading on Nasdaq or S&P 500, depending on which one is going to give me a setup. So that's what I'm doing today. Let me give it. These are trades from yesterday, by the way. Let me go in 3 minutes. Hold on 3 minutes. Let me show you yesterday's trade. I didn't catch it also. I was too late to the session. And today I'm also late again, but I hope I'm not too late. You see, I could have caught that trade right there. This one. In here, and then it dropped. But I couldn't catch this session because I was late to it. That's what I would have traded. Everything seems to be proper and I don't seem to be late. By the way, on Nasdaq I'm hoping to see a sell. I've already analyzed Nasdaq so far. I had to do a quick analysis before I can continue with the stream. Fixing the stream. This is my first time streaming, by the way, so I was just trying to figure things out for like an hour. More than an hour actually, almost an hour and a half now. So my strategy goes like this: from 7 a.m., which is New York time, to 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna add these marks. And then in these areas, either on the 3 minutes or the 1 minute, from 7, I want to see some double tops or double bottoms being created. And then after they've been created, obviously, actually I want to see it in the 1 minute. I think it's more clear. Let me see. I already see something. I already see double top 1, 2 right here, and another one right here. I want to see these double tops happen after 7 a.m. and then after 7 a.m. after 8:30, I want to see the markets violate those highs, which is these ones. I mean, it kind of happened, yeah, at 8:30. That's what happened at 8:30. At 8:30, the market wants to violate those highs. So to me, that tells me that we are bearish for the day. Okay, so which means I need to be gearing up to get bearish. So, but it seems like I've already missed the moves. Damn it! While I was busy yapping here. But I think I can get another opportunity to enter. So this is I'm waiting for a favorite gap, by the way, to form after 8:30. After 8:30, I'm waiting for the market to violate a high or a low, depending on which side the double tops were created. And then after that, I'm going to like I'm going to wait for my entries. So this would have been my entry. No, not this one. This candle right here. Right here would have been my entry had I been here focusing. So I'm going to trade this on replay, not replay. I'm going to trade this on a demo account, on a paper trading account, just today. On Monday, I'll be trading a real account. So I'm going to find another entry I can enter right here. I already like what S&P 500 is showing me. It's clean. It's more clean than Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also, I'm looking for a sell, but this one is more clean. So I'm going to look for an opportunity to like make a re-entry right now. Let me see if I could find anything. I have this inverted favorite gap right here. So if I can move just my gap, actually not that. No, let me see. Yeah, it is the only thing. So let me just unmark this and mark what I have voice hurts, by the way. I know I'm just talking by myself here because I can't even see the. Oh, mom is there. She said she can see the screen. Yeah, I can hear me, but I'm sound far. Yeah, I turned down the mic a little bit because let me increase it because there's noise happening in my area right now. I'm sure you can hear the music now. Let me see if I can write. Mm, mm. I don't know. Ugh, I don't know, man. Okay, but let's continue. I know the background music is loud, so I hope it's not much of a problem. But then let's continue. Let me increase it. I hope you guys can hear me though. I hope you guys can hear me. Did I miss any trees? Yeah, I don't think I did. I think yeah, I think I just missed an entry. I should have entered right here, but you know what? Enough excuses. So let's find a quick entry. I'm gonna enter any one of the markets. I'm gonna enter in. I'm just gonna catch the continuation, just so it's not like I'm making excuses. Uh, my stop loss definitely has to go up. Ah, this is painful. If this ends up as a loss, it's going to be a painful loss. Stop loss. Uh, it's a sell. I don't know why this thing is showing me buy. USD. Let's say 180 will do. I want to risk 1,000. Actually, I want to lose 2,000. Let me lose 2,000. Let's say 300. Let's say 350. 350. I'm gonna enter right here. I'm gonna enter right here. My stop loss is right up there. Originally, the stop loss is supposed to go right here, né? But then due to late entries, I need to. Uh, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna compromise. I'm just gonna compromise. Let's hope I catch something. Let me just quickly switch this into. But then the sell is valid. The sell is valid. Even if I get violated, I'm still gonna find opportunities to enter a sell entry later on. So position is in ticks. Let me make it money. Make it money. There we go. Now as for target, now let me drop a quick analysis on the 4 hour. I didn't analyze it because I had to hurry up. So let me show you why I'm confident about the market being a turning point here. On the on well, what is it on Nasdaq? I found the level, but this side I didn't find the level. But you know, it is what it is. So it's inside this zone. It looks like a mess. So you see this line right here and this line right here. Inside this zone, it's an area where I need to be entering my sales. But then I'm not going to mark out this entire thing. Then you know, it's actually not an area I should be entering in. It's actually a good zone if it's only broken out of. Did it got broken out of? The market didn't even close below it, so it's a risky zone still, so it's kind of risky to enter in here, but I'm gonna trust what Nasdaq is already showing me on that side that okay, we could be doing something there. Okay, so like I said, it's risky, but for target, that's what I'm going to use this. I'm obviously going to use the first. I go to the 15 minutes. If the 15 minutes shows me nothing, then I can go to the 4 hour to find the target. I need my take profit to be at least a 1, 2, 3 or more. I need it to be 1, 2, 3 or greater than that. You know. So for now, let me add this tool to help me calculate the risk to reward, to help me estimate. It's accurate. It's really accurate. This tool is really accurate. but it's going to help a lot. So the first level I'm going to be looking at, I'm looking for arrays. The first array I see is, uh, imagine I get clapped live on my first live trading session. Yeah, while I'm speaking by myself with no viewers or anything. But then we're still gonna do it. Know this is going to happen each and every single trading day from now on. Whether I'm alone or I'm not, it's going to happen and it's going to be done. So the first level I see is this one that's not mitigated. As you can, let me just, okay, the first level I see is this one that's not mitigated, and but it's not a 1 2 3, so it's a 1 to 1. So nah, it's a no. The next level would be the bottom of this fair value gap. It's also not a 1 2 3, obviously. This one is also not a 1 2 3, I'm sure, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere between a 1 to 9 or something. Yeah, it's a 1 to 2. It's a 1 to 2. So it's nice. I could take this. I could take this. But since I'm a greedy bastard, no, I'm not a greedy bastard. This is going to be my TP1. It's a 1 to 2, so it's going to be my TP1. But then my final take profit has to be something. Hmm, has some has to be something like more than a 1 to 10. So obviously I'm not holding trades all the way to a 1 to 10. So like on the live stream, I'm not going to hold a trade for a 1 to 10, but I'm going to like what, how do I put it? I'm going to like I'm going to be holding on this stream for like the 1 to 2, and then I'm done. And then I'm going to be streaming until the 1 to 2 is done, and then the rest, it will just be more of an update. You can follow me on IG. I have a broadcast there, share my trades. I also have a team. I'm not alone in there. We share all cool kinds of analysis. It's free. Don't say I'm saying I'm trying to sell you a course. It's free. How? We're just sharing ideas. So that's why I'm just saying that if you're interested. I don't know if who I'm arguing with because I'm alone here. But anyway, I'm talking anyway. So this is the next level. You see this week, the middle of it, the 50% of it on the Fibonacci. I'm going to stretch it and hope it gives me something like a 1 to 10. It's a 1 to 6. No, not. Let me see. 1 to 6. A 1 to 6 is not bad. A 1 to 6 is not that bad. No, let me not be greedy. I'll take the 1 to 6. I'll take the 1 to 6. So I'll take this. I'll take a 1 to 6 as my overall target. But then for the stream, I'll be taking the 1 to 2 only. And then let's go down to the 3 minutes. There's no reason for going to the 3 minutes. That's just me. That's just the time frame I would like to monitor this trade on. So why is it? Oh, I thought it was about to give me 1 to 7. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So this is going to be my TP1. Like I'm going to close half the trades. It's 175, so I'm going to add a buy stop here. Buy limit for 175. 175. 175, which is half because it's 350 contracts. Blah 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 blah. I wasn't drawdown, yeah. Okay. I see. I see. See, you doing me like that, huh? Okay. Here we go. Maybe it's ready, maybe it's not. Maybe it's waiting for 9:30. Remember, this volatility coming in at 9:30. So, hey, this is a little bit far. It's supposed to be here. I'm not trying to be greedy here. Exactly right where you are. I'm going to close. The buy limit is going to close half the trade, half the position. like that, perfectly done like that. So as soon as I hit that 1 to 1, uh, I hope you're enjoying the background music, by the way, if you can hear it. It's a special set. So, you don't have to pray for me or anything. I was about to say pray for me. I know that that's dumb because if you're watching this, then you're clearly watching the recorded version of it. But it is what it is, you know? Yeah, it is what it is. So, let me see if I can set up a live chat so I can see the chat real quick. Where's the live chat? Can't even find the live chat. Where is it? Live chat, where is it? Where is the live chat? The live chat, the live. It's playing games. I'm not even stressed about it. What is Nasdaq doing anyway? Let me see what Nasdaq is doing on the other side. Yeah, I was also looking to sell this side. Didn't even finish my annotations. Let me see where my entry would have been. Where was that double top I saw? It was this one. See this one? Yeah. So it got violated at 8:30. After it got violated, I wanted to see it create a fair value gap to the downside. Let me see where it was created first. It was first created right over here. I'm gonna make this one black. After this one, this is the fair value gap, right? So what I need to see is the market respecting this fair value gap and closing, either coming inside of it and then closing below it, and then respecting by closing inside of it or below it, but never above it. So during the live markets, what I would have seen was this candle touching in here and then closing below it. So this would have been my entry. My stop loss would have been above the bodies of these candles. So this I'd be up at 0.58, not bad. The highest I would have been is 1.8, also not bad. So the target, the target is my voice heads. Damn it, my throat hurts. I don't know why I even decided to do live streamings and shit while I know that if I talk too much, my voice hurts. If my voice does not hurt, it will be my what do you call it? My this one won't count. So the closing of these candles, or my head will start spinning and being somehow, and I'll start losing it. So now you know something. It's supposed to be bullish today. It's Friday, ne? And the market has been bearish for the whole week. So if the market has been bearish for the whole week, then today the market is supposed to be going up. Why am I selling? But it's okay. Yeah, the bias for today is supposed to be buying. Yeah, the market is supposed to be buying today. Logically, it's Friday, the market is supposed to be buying. So, but then my analysis, my other strategies is telling me that the market is interested in selling. So, what's most likely to happen is that I'm most likely to get my one-to-one trade hit. Let me just mark out the one-to-one here alone. I'm most likely to get my, no, not my one-to-one, my one-to-two. My first target hit, and then the market is going to start buying. If the market starts buying, then I'm going to start looking for buys again and not wait for that final take profit to hit. But one thing I'm sure about is that my first target is getting hit. This one and on S&P 500, which is the one I entered. Actually, on S&P 500, I can't really call this my initial first target. It's still risky because this is not my original entry. Like I said, my entry was actually supposed to be here. Let me see. This was supposed to be my entry, right? No, like at the bottom, yeah. And then my stop loss would have been here. This was supposed to be my entry. Let me see. So I think I got my 1 to 2 here. Not exactly a 1 to 2, but you get the idea. But if yeah, no, I would need to put my stop loss a little bit high for spreads. So there's no way I was getting my going to consider this a take profit hit. But then my original target on this S&P 500, my first target original is supposed to be. Let me see. Let me fix this real quick. Oh, this wouldn't have been it. I would have been targeting. So let's go to the 1 minute and see it clearly. Yeah, it hit the 50% of that level, which is merely a 1 to 2. So, but if I decided to like stretch it down a little bit, it would have been like this. Sorry guys, I got interrupted there. I don't know if you could hear me talking and anything. So uh my real target, my first target should be here. Yeah, would have been here, right there at the bottom. Yeah. So if it's right there at the bottom, then this entry was supposed to be ending here. Had I been early, né? But since I got in late, I'm going to compromise. But then you know what? What I should do here, really, I should be doing here is instead of targeting a 1 to 2 for a target, since I since I think the market is going to be bullish today, it didn't go up. Nah, didn't go up. So let's say the weekly. What's the weekly? If we check the weekly, nah, one to you see, the market needs to like push up a little bit, push up a little bit. But that could happen during the after hours. So you know what? I'm going to bet my money and say, no, let me just be confident in what the market showed me on the opening. On the opening, the market said we are going to sell today, so I'm going to stick to the sell. Okay. Let me not cry over spilled milk on I should have entered this like this, like this, like that, blah blah blah. So I'm going to stick to yeah. So that's what's up. What the hell? Guys, I don't know what's happening here. I This thing is showing me flames. That time, me, I can't even notice that. So basically, for this time, I've been talking by myself, ne? Thinking things are smooth this side. Okay, I'm guessing everything is okay now. You can see my charts again. I don't know how long it actually cut off or anything, but yeah, it's my internet connection actually. That's really damn. You're doing that to me. This thing has no plan of being kind today, is it? Hmm. Okay, the trade is ending badly right now. It's going up. I was just setting up the YouTube so I can watch everything that in case I get disconnected again. So this is what's happening right now. Wow, a lovely mistake I would have loved to have created there. Mm. But it is what it is. Why couldn't this retracement happen while I was entering the trade, man? Whatever, I'm still confident in the buy, in the sell. So if that buy actually comes initially, so mm, if ever the market is going to buy today, it's not going to happen now. Actually, the market is going to buy according to me today, but not right now. Not until I get my TP1. So whenever that trade is happening, just not right now. And I'm all for it. You know? Okay. Hmm. But nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. So I'm going back to the start. easy. Nobody said it would be so. Ooh. There's a lot of things about this trade that I don't like. Number one, number uno, esta esa position. It's supposed to be there, you know it, but you know why I had to put it here. I'm just compromising. So I'm trading by the grace of God, hoping that I survive this. So, but then I know God still loves me and He's with me, so we're doing this. He put me in this position where I am right now so I can learn a lesson. Maybe that lesson is punctuality to start being on trade, being on time during the trades and everything. So here we are. But it's a good thing this is a paper trading account. That's why they create paper trading accounts so that we can, you know, you know, do our thing. Man, the voice heads when I talk, but I'm talking anyway. Let's wait for 9:30 and see what 9:30 does for us. Maybe it's going to give us that sell, that beautiful sell I'm waiting for. You know what? Since I was about to say I'm going to close the entire position right here for 122, but you know what? I'm going to finish what I started. This is TP1, and this right here at the bottom is the final TP. You know, this is also a good practice, you know, since I want to like one day hopefully buy a funded challenge and start trading, day trading, you know. A funded challenge, 100K account and start day trading with it. Right now I'm dealing with just a normal challenge. I'm trading Forex. Just like that trade I showed you, the swing trading I showed you, that's messing me up. So but I'm not complaining, you know. So it's like profit is 16,000. So once the half the position closes here, this position is going to be like 8,000. 8,050, 50, yeah, 52, 57, yeah, 57, 8,057, 57 points, yeah, whatever. It's going to be about 8,000 when this one closes. So when this one closes, this one is going to be 8,000. So it's going to be 8,000 plus 2,000 from here. So it's basically 10,000. You know, it wouldn't be bad. Like $10,000 on the day. Imagine 10,000. And especially for me as a South African, you know, as a South African, $10,000 is like 180,000 rands. So yeah, it's a lot of money for those who are wondering. $10,000 is a lot of money. Some people survive on that yearly, not even yearly. For 2 years, you can feed a family of five people in South Africa for like 2 or 3 years. $10,000. That's how luxurious our country is, or maybe cheap. It's either luxurious or it's cheap. And by feed, I'm not saying just feed. I'm talking about living a good life, like good life, a decent life. $10,000 can feed a family of five. No, in the villages, not in the, in the villages, $10,000 can feed a family of five for 2 years. And actually look after them. That is, of course, if we are subtracting like the medicals, but the medicals they are unlikely. The chances of a South African requiring some serious medical services is low because it's how do I say it? It's like there's free hospitals. Most things that you can find in the hospital, government hospitals and clinics. Yeah, they are really really helpful. So it's nice being South African, you know, which is what I'm saying that you can survive on that. If you're American, you'd be surprised like $10,000 for 2 years, a family of five. How? Like, yeah, being a South African is not that expensive. That is if you're living in the villages, of course. So because I'm calculating it in a perspective of that there are families who are surviving on like something like $50 to $100 per month. Some are yeah, something between $50 to $100 in the villages actually. They are surviving, not living. They are surviving on that amount. Right. By surviving, I'm not saying it's so hard, it's so painful. No, they're just living. They're just okay as long as they have life, as long as they see the sunrise. That's just how life is in South Africa. In the villages, I live in the villages actually myself right now. I'm also talking from experience. This is not some kind of assumptions or things like that. I'm talking from experience. I've seen it happen. It's happened to me with Savannah. So yeah, $10,000, bruh. Imagine making $10,000 in a day. For someone like me who knows what I know, what $10,000 is capable of in South Africa, bruh, it's luxury. But I have dreams, that someday I could end up making something like, how do I say it? Something like weekly, I could be making around 500K to $1 million a week. That's my aim. That one day I'll be doing something like that, 500K to $1 million a week. But $1 million, that's what I'm aiming for. Hopefully one day I start making that. If you don't dream big, bruh, you don't go anywhere. So don't think I'm going to settle for $10,000 a day just because I said making $10,000 a day is luxury. Okay, there's the push. There's the push. You see, I like that. Oh, damn it. Oh, we, mommy. Oh. That's just crazy. I like that. I like that. I like what I see. I like what I see. I like that push. I don't know what caused it, but I like it. Or maybe it's just violating the laws just so it can create, just so it can go up. It can go up gracefully to the top side. Who knows? I don't know, man. I don't know. 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 Me don't know. Me don't know. Me don't know. But then it is what it is. But anyway, whatever that was, I like it. I like what I saw, and I wish it could happen like 5 days a week, 10 times a day. I hope it happens to you one day. You see, now I don't like that retracement. I don't like it at all. Like, what the hell, dude? You can't have me excited like that and then start going against me. Bruh, come on. You're not helping. You're not helping the confidence here. because I'm just practicing and I want to trade. I want to do a city challenge. So we were hosting a Zoom session the other day, and ooh, okay. You see now the 1 minute is being more detailed, more detailed why it was retracing. So it makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. Okay, now it's 9:30. Let's see what 9:30 does. That's what I like to see. That's what I like. Keep going, Pella. How? When I learn that really stop loss guy. So I gotta stop loss. The TP. Where is the TP? Let me put it. I'm gonna put it also below. Yeah, see? Now give me my first take profit so I can be safe. Do you know what I like about this first take profit is that if it hits, when it hits, not if, when it hits. When this take profit hits, I'm going to be left with half the $1,000, around $1,150 risk. So which means I would have walked away with 2,000 that's been hit here, right? So if that 2,000 is hit, then if the stop loss, if it retraces and hit stops me out, then it means I'm walking away with. Oh, I like that. I like. Oh, I like what you said. Okay, I like what just happened. Okay, I like what just happened. I like what just happened. I like that. I like that. I like that. Let me go to the 5 minutes and search my final take profit. Okay. Obviously, I'm supposed to end the stream right now, just like I said. But let me stick around for a minute just to see what happens. But I won't lie to you. I'm very I'm very, how do I say it? I'm very skeptical. Is that the word? English is not my first language, so bear with me. I'm very skeptical on the markets actually end up hitting this final take profit here. Because I think the market is supposed to go up. But then a rule is a rule. So besides it's paper trading, it's not like it's a real account, so I won't get hurt if it goes against me. I'm not losing money. If it was a real account, then I would have closed both the positions here. You understand? I would have closed both the positions here and then just called it a day. I would have walked out with like $4,000. You understand? So it would have been cool to like just do that. But then I'm gonna stay. How do I say? A soldier dies at war. Isitsonga bako soldier fela nyimpini. Wawan. So that's just what I'm going to do. Okay, I like what I see. I like that. Wow. I think I'm gonna get the final take profit as well live on. Okay. So yeah, guys, I like what I see. But yeah, I don't know why do I keep saying guys like there's people here. There's no one here. And it's just me. But then it's a recording, so it's going to be available on YouTube. So technically, yeah, you are there. You know what? As long as you are seeing this, you are there. If you're not seeing it, then I'm talking by myself. Then whatever. I didn't even tell anyone. I didn't even post it on Instagram that I'm going to go live. So, but you know, an experiment. So I'm just gonna do my thing. I'm gonna say, hey, now, are you worrying? Am I clear now? I actually increased the working, the volume thing. The koala sharp, no. If I open Zoom, I don't know how my PC is going to take it. So because I'm already opening OBS, there's Chrome open, there's YouTube open. Now I'm going to add Zoom. Now it's just that's going to be something else. Okay, the retracement. I don't like that the retracement, but it's natural. You know, it's all part of the game. Okay, I'm super clear. Thank you. What about the background music? How bad is the background music? Because the reason I was so faint last time is because the background music. Didn't like it. Mm, mm. Maybe this is that buy I've been talking about all along by myself. Is it starting? But nah, it's going to continue going down. We remain strong in these difficult times. As long as I got my TP1, I'm good. I'm good. This is a void. A void can also be a good area for the markets to be a turning point. We are safe as long as this candle closes inside of this void or below it. As long as it does not close above it, then you are safe. Then you can say the market is could still go down. Okay, you have 2 minutes to find out. If it closes above it, what could possibly happen is this: the market going up, retesting it, after retesting it, then go up, and then I'll be waiting. I'm not. I'm not going to be playing with the markets today. I am not going to be like I'm not going to be kind today. It's a demo account. So if it's a demo, it's a paper account. But paper account, demo account is the same thing. I'm not going to be playing with the markets today. Mm-mm. And you know, my target is actually stupid because by the rules, I'm actually supposed to be targeting these lows. You see, it's a 1 to 4. I'm supposed to be targeting those lows, but my target as it is, I've seen it work a few times, so I can still have faith in it. It can still consolidate down like all the way down. So let's see what happens. Someone is DMing me on Instagram that they are buying gold, so it's a bit risky because now I don't see gold ever buying for a long time ever this year. Maybe can buy just to do some pullbacks and stuff like that, but I don't see it. Yeah, there are messages here. I don't see them. Let me see. I'm gonna Marcelo, you are super clear. I figured nothing hectic. I can hear it, but it's not distracting. Okay, okay, okay. This is clear. Oh, you think? Oh, it's another entry there. You think no? You think I should do the South African thing and barcode? Mm. Ah, 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 ah. Yeah, I don't trust it. I know I'm the one who sold. But where am I going to put the stop loss? At break even, yeah. You know what? Let's do it. It's paper trading anyway. It's not the real account. Give me that. Let me enter with 200 contracts. Contracts. Sell. What am I buying now? Ah, what the fuck? I did not swear. I did not swear. Is the stream still on, guys? Hey. Hey yo, Max. Hey yo, Max. Thank you and welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome, my brother. Okay, guys. I think I might. Guys, no, 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 you're not helping. Yo, I'm asking you. Where am I going? Telling me that I'm asking real questions. That's not being very helpful, pal. Where am I putting the stop loss? Buying. The 50% of the. I'm going to take it to the 50% of the weekly candle. You know, 50% of it. No, no, not 50%, man. It's supposed to go to like somewhere around 30%. Yeah, like 30% somewhere there. Put 50% of the 50% of the bottom range of the discount range. Yeah, so at this point I think the market is, you know what, let me stick to the rules. No one is telling me to enter more sales, but she's not giving me. No, no, not buying. Not when I say buy, not buying right now. I'm not going to buy right now. I'm saying I'm going to start looking for buy opportunities. I'm gonna go back on the 1 minute and then I'm gonna look for buy opportunities. So then from there it will just be a situation of like of starting to look for buys. That is if I get stopped out here. But then I think the buy is going to happen. But the sell, your sell, you the one who said I should enter more sales. So I'm asking you, if I'm entering more sales, where am I putting the? Yeah, you know what? This is the entry. See now this one is the entry now. What's the sell? Where is this? Where is this sell? Actually, close. Respect this level and I'm selling. Let the markets respect this level and I'm selling. Just this level alone. Nothing else. Just this level. Respect this and I'm selling. What are you doing now? There we go. Yeah, just like that. There we go. I'm gonna enter more positions to sell, right? Ivana. Oh, oh, nice. I like that. You know, I was just explaining what if it closes above this area right here, the market is going to is going to retest here and then go up. But here I am selling again. Like what's wrong with me? The stop loss obviously has to come down to like here. Yeah, right here. Okay, okay, okay. This intro, I think it happened somewhere here. Yeah. Let's just go back. I'm gonna need TP1. Where's my TP1? Find TP1s on the 15 minutes. Why I'm entering trades on the 5 minutes, I don't know. Stack. Anyway, nah. We have a real South African in here telling me to barcode. Here we go. I also would remain where you have your current SL. Oh, I don't shift it, ne? Let me put it back. Let me put it back. Let me put it back. I'll just put it back. That means, hell, I need like TP1s and stuff. An area to like go to take partials. I'm going to take. Okay. Yeah. There's the drop. But I'm telling you now, the buy is inevitable and it's coming. So 1.5. Not taking any partials here. I'll just take partials on the break of this low. I'm not taking no partials. I'm taking everything all the way down here. Yeah, full TP. I'm taking the full TP. I'm taking the full TP. So let's watch. Here we go. Now you see what it's doing. I don't like what it's doing now. Why are you moving this weird now? Like, why are you being weird? Like, what's your reason? What's your plan? Bruh. But I like that it's respecting this fair value gap over here. This fair value gap is from the 5 minutes and it's also available here on the 3 minutes. So yeah, I like that it's being respected so far. I like it. Vinolia, thank you very much. Thank you. But I'm seeing a buy on US 100. That's what I've been saying. Both S&P 500 and US 100, they are supposed to be buying today, but then they've given me, but on the opening, they've given me sell entries. Now, honestly, to be honest, if I was trading a real account right now, you see on this green line, I've already taken TP1, as you can see right here. I've already taken TP1. I would have closed both trades if it was on a real account. Because now I'm thinking both S&P 500 and S100, they're supposed to be buying today. But when, I don't know. But that buy is not confirmed. But on the opening, I see sells. You understand? So the buy that you're seeing on NAS100 now, I like it. Check 1 minute on what, S&P 500 or NAS100. I'm not sure which one you're referring to. Please check 1 minute. 1 minute on which time frame now? No, on which one? Let me switch on this one for now. S&P, okay, right here. Yeah. See, it's like a ball though. It's like a ball. It's like a ball. What's there on the okay. Yeah. There's another funny one. Little one right here on the 1 minute as well. So this fair value gap is actually stronger than I thought. And then this void here, which I traced it from 5 minutes to 3 minutes, and now it's also here on the 1 minute. So obviously, I think at one point it's going to retrace perfectly and then drop. It's going to be beautifully done. So actually, on the 5 minute on Nasdaq, I haven't checked. I also marked out the sell that I missed. By the way, this is a late entry. By the way, on S&P 500. What you see, there is actually a late entry. Ooh, you see, this is just TP1, by the way. The final TP is supposed to be at least a 126. So I never marked it out because I was focused on S&P 500. So what got hit is the TP1. I never checked it afterwards. You know what? Come Monday, yeah, soldier dies at war. Soldier dies at war. Take the damn risk. Go like, well, stop whining. Just trade. Just shut up and trade. Just shut up and trade. Let me see if I can. Not numb. I told you when Makoti is not here, I trade sensibly. Makoti I say, I know how to trade. That's what I was telling you. Look what's happening today. What? Because Makoti, I trade very sensibly. Well, this would have been my first target, but it's not a 126, so I need a 126. So I would have, so which means on Nasdaq I would have been in and out of fully in and out of the trade. So you know what, this would have been my final target because this level is on a 126. I'd be out. I'd be done. Like I'd be done on this one. But this one I missed it because I was busily again. I was busily trying to set up this stream. Busy messing me up. Ah, you're the only one watching here. You're the only one watching. She's in the group waiting for you to send the link. You said you're gonna send the link. What's the link? Ah, you. We need to finish what we started. What's the link? Like, what's the link? What's the link? But this one, but this is beautiful. Look, like I missed this intro while I was trying to set up this stream. I would have caught this entire move actually. Meaning I would have been in and out of this trading session would have been done by now. And then on the S&P 500, I also, yes, that's my voice heads, yo. I would have been, yeah, I would have been, I would have entered here. This is the first entry that was supposed to have, no, it's actually way up here. Let me update the quick trend to join. Okay. Yeah. If that would be excellent. Excellent. So, but then I would have entered a little bit up here. This is also a late entry, by the way, in the S&P 500, but it's working out. So also on the S&P 500, I think logically I'm supposed to be out of the trade by now because I think I would have gotten my 126 by now. So I'm trading by the grace of God right now. I'm currently running the trade on the grace of God. So if it hits TP, then it was meant to be. So yes. You know now you should be here actually, Tuki. Should be leaving this stream to you. I don't know if it allows collaboration or whatever, blah. But let's figure it out this weekend. How we can collaborate on these things. Man, I don't like talking this long. Yeah, but you know what? Uh, but you know what I like? Even if this trade goes against us right now, but what I like is that if I was early, but my original strategy had I been on time, traded on time, and everything, both TP1 and TP2 is supposed to have been hit by now. Nasdaq is the example. So the buy you said you see, yeah, it's possible now because I know that usually after the opening, it's always chasing something. It's always chasing something. So yes, yes, yeah, I like the drop. I'm not buying nothing. You're not buying nothing. What do you mean you're not buying? 50 points down. Yeah, you know what? But you're correct. But you know, but I agree on that buy. It's something that's going to happen. So it's something that we are getting. The buy is something that we are getting because it might happen during the PM session. I think you know how to trade the PM session. Now I don't know how to trade the PM sessions, but it might happen during the PM sessions or something. Uh, yeah, I think it's something that could happen during the PM sessions, and there's that perfect retest I said we could be waiting for. I think this is the one. You know what? I'm way too South African to let this one slide. Where's that entry button? Let it close. Let it respect it and close. I mean, but I think yeah, I think it's closing the 1 minute candle as well. Barcode. You don't get me with the PMC. You don't get me to the bias. Just treat the trend. Nah, just go with the trend. Yeah. Okay, you're retracing that deep, nah. I'm not entertaining that movement, me. Mm-mm. Then I guess that's not the perfect retest I'm waiting for. We still going. We're still on. So the PM session we're just trading the trend. We just trade whatever it does. Yeah. That makes sense. Maybe that's why I keep getting violated every time I trade outside outside my time zone. The zone what do I call it? It's not time zone. The time my time window, yeah, my outside my time window. This is not looking good. This is that buy I was telling you about. It's coming now. You see, as soon as it stops me out, I'm going to Nasdaq. I'm going to start looking for those buys. So like yeah, none of guys I don't think we're getting that final TP anytime soon. So why not just buy S&P 500? That's a rejection. Yo, dog. Nah, I don't think we're getting that final take profit. Going to hit SL. And you remember that this is an area where I had moved my stop loss. I would have been stopped out by now. Or maybe it's still coming. Why not just buy S&P 500? No, it just depends on which one is going to give me a better entry between S&P 500 and US 5 100. You know. So what I'm doing, Corey, yeah, I'm hoping for a better. Yeah, I'll just see which one is study unit 3 is what now. Yeah, I see it's chai. Just like I said, it's a buy. Hey, what's happening? What's no way. No way this is going to happen. Nah, but it's still gonna go up. No way that's just happen live. Nah. Yeah, you see, that's that perfect retest on that favorite gap, meaning it's a bullish one. Yes, yes. Nas 100. Let me see Nas 100. What's happening there? Yo, yo. Okay, let's see what's happening in this zone. Let's see what this zone is trying to do. Similar to S&P 500 that side. Angeke. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. There's no way this is going to be real. Nah. See what these things are rejecting. Nah, they are going up, these ones. Maybe it's coming down to give me an opportunity to close. Because I don't think the downward movement is still there anymore. Hmm. Even there's no way this is happening live. You think it's gonna go and hit TP? Ah, it's gonna go up this one. Eh, we are not safe here. Yes, that Nasdaq buyer was looking at, and I'm ignoring. Elegamona limuje yomutwarisa. Elegamona limuje yomutwarisa. Yo. Hmm? Yeah. Se pelile, se pelile, se pelile. Sepeli no mama one. Sepelile, sepelile, sepelile. Sepeli no mama one. Sepelile, sepelile. Ay, sepeli no mama one. Tekatega, atekatega, kumania, tekatega. Yeah. Also again, do you know what I hate about trades that do stuff like this? Good, they'll play around like you like this, and then the moment they start taking you, after they take your stop loss, they're going to start flying. I gotta wanna know it's moving slow and steady. Watch. As soon as it hits the stop loss, it's going to start flying. You think it's going to reject and come back? Possible. I They say I'm too funny. Who's saying I'm too funny now? Hello, Kifente. Kifente Masimula. Oh, Kifi. You are just in time to watch me get violated. You see, I hit TP1 right here. Another market rejected. Ah, yay. Behave yourself. There we go. Oh, no, you say, who said I'm too funny? For what? You see now, you are just in time. Could you make you were late for the good trades. You just made it in time for the bad one. Okay, but you know what? A win is a win for the day. It's no. Now we proceed as planned. I got the buy. The buy now is ready. I gave the signal. Now it's time to buy. It's not over until I win. Okay, let's forget this one. You know what? I'm not going to leave this one looking like a loss on my charts. Which way? Where is it? This one. I'm going to show my, yeah. I don't care what anyone says. A TP is a TP. I took TP1, and then telling him, them guys on YouTube, on TikTok, okay. Uh, yeah. Before I do this, let me update it in the group. I'm looking good. Let's take a quick peek for the broadcast on Instagram. Okay. TP1 was closed here. Okay. Boom. Now, here's the plan. Okay? The plan is simple. The plan is proceed as we planned, which was the buy. The buy is supposed to come in exactly right here. Nowhere else. Right over here. And nowhere else. Alright, man. Don't move that fast, Ulu and Appel. Give me a chance to enter. I'm still not done. Where's the 1 minute? What's the 1 minute saying? You can't retest that quick and yeah. Hunter, we fighting now. So check. This is the buy after taking the stop loss. The retest is right there. Let's see if you can get a look. Mar. I'm just gonna enter it where it is. Kefi, how are we doing today? Yes, today we're doing alright. We're doing alright. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So the practice, they say practice makes perfect. So with everything I've seen today, by the way, these are late entries. By the way, this one you just saw me. So if they were early, they were on time. But let me stop with this if thing. I got violated. So today, that's what happened. But then now we're going to continue with the buy for the day. So we can say it's a good day. It's been very educative. I'm learning a lot, and I know the market makers are really proud of me. So let me see. Hey, this stop loss is not. It's supposed to go here according to my rules. No, not there, not there. No, I'm lying. I'm looking at the wrong information. It's supposed to go. Actually, it's a. I think it's a 5 minute. Then now, I marked this thing on 5 minutes. That time, yeah, I marked it on 5 minutes. So I need to look at 5 minutes candles. Hey, this is a mess, John. Are you? Let me just quickly get rid of this mess real quick. I don't like. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the arrows on. Yeah. See, now it's clean a little bit. That's perfect. You know, it's weird talking about myself. I have to fix. I have to. We have to figure that thing out of getting you guys to talk on the stream. Hey, my voice is heady. You are careful what you wish for. Look now, the market is retracing right after I wished for the retracement. Okay, you're gonna do me like that. It's fine. Yes. This is not looking good. This is not looking good at all. The stop loss I think is gonna be. It's gonna be a little bit too big, but it has to go here. Yeah, right there. Can't even complain because I asked for the markets not to move that fast. 3,000 USD risk management is not very. You know what? I'm way too South African to let this one slide. We are buying again. That's perfect. That's decent. I like it. Okay. Now for the target. Now since we're going back to the initial, but guys, now do you think it's possible to like stream through the Zoom? Because we can't end the Zoom sessions. We need the Zoom sessions to continue in a way while we stream this side on YouTube and TikTok. We need to figure out the way. Market is not retracing 50%, so I'm going to take like this. And the discount, okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm just marking out. This is not 30%, but yeah, it's less than 30%, so it's perfect. It's perfect. I like it. Hmm. Okay, gotta finish what you started. So, yo, right, this is the worst risk to reward I've ever plotted in my life. Yo, yes, yes. But I think it's valid because nah, there's nothing valid about this thing. It's awful. But then the entry is actually supposed to be here where I entered this one. It's actually supposed to be here, so it's a 1 to 2, so it's perfect. Oh, Konji, it's possible to get violated twice, ne? Okay, you wanna play that game then? Yo, here it's not nice, Baba. It's not nice. I don't appreciate like that. The rejection is giving a buy, ne? The buy is going to, you see the buy, just like I said, even before I entered those cells, the buy is inevitable today because the sell movement that I was waiting for has already played out and it's done. The buy is the one that follows. So unfortunately, I don't have a strategy for it. I actually do have a strategy for it. It's supposed to be below here somewhere, but because of shift of focus, but it's a good way to experiment. Did I send in a broadcast? Yes, yes. Nom, I think I can add. You can call me on WhatsApp, and you can. I think your voice will be audible on the stream if you're up for it. You see the buy, no, yeah, the buy we are forcing it. Oh yes, we have. We are not forcing it. We just force the entry. The buy is going to happen. We just what we are forcing is the entry. It's too soon, and it's just a mess. No more saying you can. Hey, I need a break from talking. You. Damn it. Okay, these two candlestick confirmations are a good sign, so we are doing something, obviously. Ish, it's possible. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drop just give me a call there. I think it will ring. I'm too lazy to open WhatsApp on my PC. and I hope it rings. Okay, yeah, here we go. It's doing something. It's in profit. Here we go. Okay, so this was a valid trade. It's a 122. So, but it's just TP1. This one, yeah. The other one I'll just have to keep holding. Yes, yes. I'll hold on tight. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Better be a soldier there. Konje, you said you are streaming on TikTok. Eish, you can't do WhatsApp while you're streaming on TikTok. Okay, this is war. But then you know what, guys, give me my flowers. Give me my flowers. You can restart the stream if you want. You'll see me calling out the buys on the S&P 500 and NAS 100. I said we're going to get that buy and then we are going to get that sell. No, we are going to get that sell first and then we are going to get that buy. So technically, I was right twice in one trading session. So give me my damn flowers. You can restart the stream if you want. Here is it. Here's the buy. Now I'm hyped now. The voice may be hating, but I'm going to talk now. I have enough energy to for the hype. Hey, Aaron is on another business there. Ish. Okay, let me. Hey, guys, I'm serious. Give me my flowers. You look at that. Look how beautiful that thing is. By the way, after this TP1, after this TP1 right here, we are going to hold this thing all the way up there. Hey, Marlon, I'm not saying anything. All the way up there, okay, now. Let me. Yeah, 200. Yeah, 200. Let's go. There we go. Okay, now see, we're doing something now. This is the solution. We suffered through the problem. Now we found this. We found the solution. Hey, Nom. Oh, God, I'm lagging there. Something is lagging here and I don't know what. Which one? TikTok or is it TikTok or is it TikTok that's lagging or is it YouTube? Hmm. No, something you know. When I see you on TikTok, you're smooth. Oh, give you TP. Congratulations. That you see, we're moving beautifully like that. Congratulations. Teach me your ways, master. And like, no, why are you listening me on? Are you listening to me on YouTube or on TikTok? And on TikTok, it's like I'm talking by myself. I cannot have noticed. Mm. Now is executing. Yeah. Yeah, it must be red. It will jump you straight to the live one. I just hit TP. I'm gonna need you to let me see. Thank you, Brevin. We'll be back to the regular schedule of being chat markets next week. Okay, Kifi. Who said you're gonna get chowed? Have confidence. We're chowing the markets this week, next week, next month. Pela January has been January has been awful. You. Kifi, can you join Baraking the live on TikTok so we can all communicate? I think we should go back to doing the Zooms again. Am I think Kifi's gone as well. I was about to tell her to join the live on TikTok. She should join. Okay. The YouTube is fine, but then the Zoom one is fine, but ish. It's all a mess. Also, we need to figure out a way I can stream on YouTube while we stream on all the time. Ish. No, you know what? This weekend, let's figure out a way we can like collaborate on this thing on like on this thing, man. On OBS, we can collaborate and stream together on this thing, so that next week we can do it all.
I will.
Yeah, talking by myself is awful. So,
Yeah.
are we
No,
waiting
I
for
hear
this
that.
one to finish or?
Can I just Yeah, yeah. I don't know how you join. Let me see. Let me press on invite.
No, I need to step out for a minute. Can you handle my YouTube live stream for for the time being? Oh, Kiffens is still here. Kiff is still
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah. Sure, guys, sure. I can. Hey, man, how you doing?
Kiffy, join Nam's
We have to be
live
good.
stream so we can all talk, so we can all communicate
You
with
have
each
to be
other.
good, man. You make money.
Join
Yo, like, I'm tired of texting. I've been texting like
yeah,
5 fingers are
join
heading now.
it's
No,
it's the
I'm glad
same
you
name
could
as
join us. I'm glad you
Marking.
could join us.
Her Instagram
Yeah,
account.
so
New month, new opportunities. Konje next week
breathing,
it's a new month.
breathing.
So clearly. So that means it's NFP week next week, ne? Hey, are you calling my name? Drin, how are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm fine, G. I'm fine. How
I'm
about
good,
you?
I'm good.
Yeah, guys, like I'm phoning Bengating and Papela or something, yabo.
Yeah?
Yeah, like with respect, guys. Like Kulega, dog, Kulega, we're all in this together. Yeah, like with respect, yabo. Like so, I mean, I like with my friends nearly like I don't have friends now, like 'cause when I was trading, when they found out that I was trading, they just left me, like they were like, yeah, we cut you off, dog. So yeah, I had to do this shit on my own. So yeah, I mean, and it's hard. Ungabi nomuntu like on the side also uvumelana naye, have that confidence of entering the market. It's very hard. Yabo. So like namanje, I took that trade because ngoni live yakho, I just entered on this live and I was like, yo, damn, I was looking at the next thing and I was like, okay, I'll enter, but I wasn't that confident. But then I just took the trade because we saw the same thing. So then I was like, let me just take it. I'm not, it be like that, but I think the community is very lonely, man. It's a very lonely community. Yeah. Nah, you're making, what do you call it? You're making money. Yeah, I'm making money, but what's the point of making money? Like nothing, not having that experience. Think it's maybe we'll treat nabanye abantu, not knowing how it feels to work, to co-work, like together with other people. Facts. But the one thing that we always say, is that trading value isn't group work. That one, like trading isn't group work because see, Braven trades a different strategy from me. Even though like he trades ICT, he's a swing trader. I'm a day trader. But it's that thing. We come together and we combine strategies. But if you see a sell and I see a buy, you must execute your sell and I must execute my buy because that's your strategy and this is my strategy. Because that's how you compliments, yeah, but the thing that is really important is that community to have people being
Oh,
like, okay,
if
nah,
you don't
like
have
you're not
TikTok,
crazy
nah.
for believing in this thing to say this thing works.
Okay, damn,
Yeah,
that's bad.
right.
That's bad.
Yeah, right.
But you know what? During the weekend, just communicate with Naum and now you guys can talk. I'm talking to Keith on YouTube. Keith was saying,
Okay.
yeah, Keith was saying during the weekend we're going to figure. Yeah, I was muting myself on TikTok so I don't disturb them. So during the weekend, we don't know how to collaborate. But then during the weekend, Naomi and I we will work on something to figure out the way to like to be able to include everyone on the stream so that we can all be on the stream and talk just like we did on the Zoom sessions because the Zoom sessions the reason we didn't do it is because Rebora ke na ba one it gives us a time limit, and we are not paying them 300 rand a month just so we can stream longer on their platform. So, but then during the weekend, when I just communicate with Naum on, I think you guys are talking on Instagram. Even with me, you're also talking with me, but yeah, just text me. But then me, I'm basically useless. I really open my DMs on Instagram in time. I might take days, but then I know now we'll communicate with you, and then we'll continue those sessions just like we did on Zoom, so that you can share your chats, I can share my chats, Nam can share your chats, and then we can continue doing these streams. That is if you are up for it. If you still want to be part of it, we'll try to figure it out on the weekend, so that we can trade without any time limits or finish it.
So yeah, I mean, I got hooked up in it.
Thank you for that. Yeah. I want to see this thing grow together. And about that challenge, 100 rand. I don't know when we are starting it. You guys let me know when we are starting. I like the idea and I want to be part of it. So, but for now, I need to step out for a few minutes. I'll be back. So listen to. Meanwhile, just listen to Naum and Green on YouTube. Yeah. I'll be back in a few.
Trading is my job. Like, I take it very serious. So yeah, they cut me off. Then yeah, those are went separate ways. Then 20 last year I've been into matric, because I had to, like, in grade 11 I dropped out of school because they begin to buy family pale, up right before they actually make it. Yeah, I thank God I didn't do. I almost gave up. No, I did. I quit for a year. Like I quit for a year. Yeah, it's TJR. Just search TJR bootcamp. On YouTube, yeah. I gave up for a year, my guy. But even in that year, it wasn't like an actual give up. You know, you can never really give up when you're seeing that something works. Like even if you try the first time and you withdraw, even if it's just 100 rand, but the fact that you got money out of it, you can see, yeah, this thing actually works. You know, it's you have to work through the mentality part. You know. Yeah. Even with how many times you've been scammed? Like how many times? Because luckily for me, I never went through. I have trust issues. I will just be honest with you. I have trust issues. Lerato says she gave up for 10 years. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, I have trust issues. And my mentality is that, what you call this thing? I never look at somebody else and think, see, what they're doing, I can't do. You see? Yeah. So I ask myself, see, if all these people are making money, why can't I make money? So I've always been about grind through it alone. Like just push through it alone. The lonely nights, you know, December I was down, I think when was it? 2019 December. I was chowing ICT the whole of December. Like just go through it alone. It doesn't matter how long it takes. But eventually you get there. So I never got scammed. The only time I got scammed was by